Going on, everyone? So today we're heading even more west towards Rian, but on the way we're doing the Torsfjord, Reiten, and Kavalvika hike. It's pretty windy today and it's starting to rain a little bit, so don't really know what to expect. It's obviously going to be pretty muddy, all the snow's starting to melt, which I think is better than like the knee and hip deep snow that we had on our previous hike. Obviously it'll present its own challenges. It's going to be very slippery, but we'll try it. Gotta make the best of it. Gonna have some cool pictures, cool videos. Hopefully all of our shit doesn't get blown away, but yeah, we'll take you all with us. Let's get going. It's fucking windy here! Oh! My glasses! My glasses! I see them! No! Over the mountain! No! My glasses! I see them! My glasses! No! Hey, is that some tunnel? No, my glasses! Yeah, let's go get them. They're probably on the beach down there. No! I know if we'll make it, guys. Oh no, we're gonna make it! Holy fuck. Holy fuck, man. The wind died down, I gotta pack my bag! What? Huh? Fucking Mario! Fucking Mario!